Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing another day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. In my last video I gave you this structure that was about to play out, and it was a double top formation, and we need to break this low at 23,530. If we did that and close below that on the 1 hour time frame, we would move lower, and we have done that since my last video. But where are we going next? Well, let's look at the charts. And if you listen carefully to my latest day trading update, which was posted on Friday, I told you that we might form a larger double top formation on the 1 hour time frame, looking something like this. And we need to do some very important thing before we can confirm this double top formation on a bigger scale, and that is to break this low right here at 22,300. If we break that, the double top is confirmed when we close below on the 1 hour time frame, not a wick, a close, and then you can place your trades. Because if we do that, the targets to downside are firstly at 21.5k, break that 21.2k, and we could also visit the lows in the 20k area and 19.5k area. After that, we will see if we turn to the upside again. But your first day trading targets, because we are talking about day trading here, is to these targets firstly at 21.5k. And that is where I'm gonna look careful on the charts on the lower time frames and possibly take some profits. I'm already in some profits, but I'm waiting for this larger double top formation playing out. And if we do that, you know the market makes structure, which is something like this: double bottom, first leg up, second leg up, third and final leg up. That is where we form a double top formation of some kind, and we reverse in 3 steps to the downside, and then we continue our ride to the upside or to the downside. Since we're in a bear market, we will continue to the downside for the most part. And as I told you in my last video, we need to break the 25.5k area, close above that in order for us to claim that we are in a bullish market. Look at news events. We don't have any news today. Tomorrow Fed Chair Powell will speak. I don't think he's gonna say anything interesting. At least he's not gonna move the markets, in my opinion. However, it is something to consider because he gives some hints most of the time. On Wednesday we have another one from the FOMC speaking. We had unemployment claims on Thursday. Other than that, we don't have much news coming out this week. However, next week on Valentine's Day, we do have the CPI numbers coming out, and that's gonna move the market most definitely on Valentine's Day. So we'll see what that will bring us. Looking at the liquidation map for Bitcoin, still a lot more money to the downside than to the upside, which indicates that the market maker will move price to these areas. And as I told you, 21.5k is an interesting area, and 19 to 20k is also an interesting area. And we have a lot of money there, we have a lot of orders there, so price will possibly move there, or is most likely to move there. We're talking about probabilities here when we're trading, and that is something to consider as well. However, this is not financial advice. You do whatever you want to do. This is all for education and entertainment purposes only. And now let's look at Chainlink. So if we take a look at Chainlink, we can see that we're still in our range, consolidating before our next move. It's between this point right here at $7.5 and $6.5. So in a $1 range, we've been there for a couple of weeks. And I think we need to break this in order for have some volatility, or else we're gonna stay here for a while, and it's a great opportunity to accumulate. But for day trading, it's not that interesting. We will see a probable recovery to the downside here at 6.6 796 if Bitcoin continues to the downside. Otherwise, the targets to the upside are 7.18176 and 7.45 to the upside. To the downside, if we break this consolidation zone at $6.5, we could move down to the $5.9 range if Bitcoin continues lower, because then we have created somewhat of a double top formation. Looks kind of similar to Bitcoin's pattern. And if we break the zone, we could move in 3 steps like this and bottom out at $5.9 before we reverse to the upside. That's it for today's day trading update. Hope to see you soon. Big Boss out.